Welcome friends, Namaskar, myself Mahesh. In today's lecture, we will see the data structures in the Python. So main data types in the Python is a list, tuple, set, okay, string. So we will focus on the list in today's lesson, okay. So please pay attention and see. So what is the meaning of that list? List is the data types in the Pythons, okay, say which is used to store the multiple items in a single variable, okay. Simple definitions. What are the characteristics of that list? List is ordered, it is a changeable, means mutable, and we can allow the duplicate values there, okay. Next, we can perform the sorting, indexing, reversing, pop, extend, append, slice, and many more on the list. So without wasting our time, we will see one by one operations in the list. Let's say I am going to create one empty list like this, list. So here is a -1, comma 2, comma 5, comma 4, comma 4, comma 6, comma 9, like this, okay. So this is a list. Now this is not in the proper order, okay. So this is not in the proper order, so I want to use the sort command there. So x dot sort, okay, x dot sort and print of x. So what I will get? I will get the this list in the ascending order, okay. So I'm going to run this. See here, so -1, then 2, 4, 4, 5, 8, 9, 9. So this is nothing but the sort operation. Let's say I want to reverse this string, okay, reverse this list. So I will use the reverse, okay. So I'm commenting this. So 9, 8, 9, like this, okay. Now this is a reverse command. So next one is, so we will understand the concept of the indexing, okay. So we will understand the concept of indexing. So index, let's say index 0 means, here index 0 means in this list it is a -1, okay. So index index 1 means 2, like this, and index -1 means 9, okay. Index minus means 9, means last point, okay. And index 8 means index -1 means 9, index -2 means 8, index, like in this way. So we will study in this simple manners. Let's say next one is x dot pop. So what is the meaning of that pop command? So pop means you are eliminating that element. Let's say I'm not using using an index number there. So what I will get the output, let's say, okay. So output is nothing but we will eliminate 9 there. If I am not last element, okay, last element will be automatically eliminated if I am not going to specify an index number there. So now I am specifying index number 3. So what is the index number 3 from this list? Tell me. -1 is the index number 1, 2 is the index number, -1 is the index number 0, 2 is the index number 1, 5 is the index number 2, and 4 is the index number 3. So this 4 element will be eliminated because I have specified this index number 3 there, okay. So let's say, yes, so this -1, 2, 5, 4, 9, 8, 9. So let's say this command, let's say I am eliminating -3. So what is the meaning of that -3? -3 means 9 is a -1, 8 is a -2, and 9 is a again -3. So this 9 will eliminate from this list, okay. This 9 will be eliminated from this list. So let's say, okay, see here, see this output. So this 9 is gone. So 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, okay. So this is very simple function of the in the list, okay. Next one is a let's say print and x dot count, okay, x dot count. I want to count 4. How many times that 4 appears there? There 4 appears 2 times, okay. So I will get the output like this, okay. So I will get I will take this 4 as a 2 times. ठीक है, 4 as a 2 times. Now let's say print x dot count. ठीक है, count, and let's say how many times that -1 appears in this given string. Okay, -1 appears only one times. Okay, like this. So if I am taking 9 there, ठीक है, 9 there, so 9 how many times appear? It appears as a 2 times. Okay, let's say I am using 9 as again 3 times. That time this will, I will get 3 times because 9 appears as a 3 times. Now next one is here if I am getting x dot index, okay, so let's say 5 is the element which is at the index number 2, so I will get, okay, I will get the answer as a 2 because 5 is appearing at, standing at the index number 2. So let's say I am running this, see, so 2 is the answer. ठीक है, 2 is the answer, like this. So let's say I'm replacing the number 8. So 8 is standing at 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 will be output. Okay, 6 is that index number. So this is very simple operations that we can use in the list. Okay, at the same time, let's say I want to find out the mean number. Okay, find out the mean number from that list. So I will use these functions. I will use this command. So mean value is a -1. Let's say I want to find out the max. Okay, I want to find out the max. Max value is a 9. Okay, max value is a 9. So I will get this 9 there. Now if I want to find out the sum of the x, so it will add all this element and I will get the output in this way. Okay, that output sum is a 49. Sum is a 49. See here, in this case, in this way we can use the list. In the next lecture we will perform the list comprehensions in the easy manner. Then thank you.